Part 3, Question 1 of 1. All university students should do part-time jobs while they're studying. What are the advantages? What, what is your own opinion? Fears. I consider that the advantages will be to delve deeper into the topics covered, to be able to clarify the books with their classmates and teachers, and not to be their homework to the house. Second, I think that the disadvantages will be that they will not have enough time to take active breaks that allow them to oxygenate their brain to potentially perform in the other class. Third, in my personal opinion, it should be a 50-50 job, that is, tasks to the done at home and tasks to the done within the university, but divided times at favorite breaks for the students. Thank you.